Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to scan a QR code on your Samsung phone using the camera. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To scan a QR code, open the camera app first, and all you should need to do is point the camera at the QR code, and then a message should pop up that you can tap on. This will follow a link, for example, to the web page for the code. If for some reason this didn't work, open the camera settings by tapping on the cog icon in the corner, then make sure that Scan QR Codes is turned on near the top. Now try scanning the code again in the camera and it should work. Make sure the scene is well lit and you allow the camera to focus on the code if it still isn't working. That's how to scan a QR code on your Samsung phone using the camera. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Samsung device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.